storm right now and get 800 times more visitors, 72% of whom are guaranteed to purchase your product or services. Better yet, I'm going to show you how you can be doing this every few hours, promoting your services, building your buyers list, and selling your products on complete autopilot. You see, this is the exact same video content format that people like Jackson Weimer created and got paid $8,500 from Instagram. Same way, Khadijah Lacey Taylor made $30,000 promoting others' products on social media using this new content format. And Jake Boehm earned over $34,000 creating and publishing this new style of content. There are hundreds and thousands of ordinary people just like you and me who are profiting and making big bucks online simply by creating and posting this on social media. So what is this new video content format I'm talking about? It's the Stories videos. The vertical stories content format has now dominated the internet and is the fastest way to generate views, traffic, leads, and sales this year. Heck, even Google is now ranking web stories #1 on their mobile search results. From Instagram Stories to Instagram Reel, from YouTube Shorts to TikTok videos and Facebook and Snapchat Stories. All of them are vertical content formats, and you too need to be creating and publishing hundreds of these. But creating vertical videos for your business isn't easy. You need script, animation skills, storyboarding, complex tools, video editing, voiceovers, technical knowledge about Google AMP and whatnot. It's simply not easy at all. We figured there had to be an easier way to create stories for Google and social media, and that's when we went to work. And after over a year of research, development, beta testing, and improving, we are excited to share with you the incredible SToryReel. SToryReel is the world's first and only web stories and video stories creation platform that lets you create vertical content for Google and all the other social media sites using professionally created, fully customizable content templates. Simply log into SToryReel and you can browse through hundreds of stunning-looking templates carefully crafted to get you higher views and results. There are two kinds of vertical stories that you can create using SToryReel. The first one is called Web Stories, and it's where you publish vertical content directly on your websites, blogs, or funnels and get indexed by Google for unlimited free targeted traffic. And the second one is called Social Stories, which are essentially short vertical videos that you can post on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube Shorts, Snapchat, and other platforms. To create stories, click the Create Stories button here and give it a name. Right here, you will get a blank canvas to give you full flexibility on creating whatever you want to. You can go here to pick from hundreds of templates and then start customizing them by adding text, images, video clips, changing font color, style, background, add borders, change animation, and anything you want to change. You can click on the plus button here to add another page to your story and add a new template or add content on the blank canvas. Once you are done, you can click the play button to preview what you've created. Finally, you can save or publish this as a web story on your own domain or our domain, or you can render it as a video that you download and post on your social media accounts. SToryReel will let you create web and video stories in any niche you want. Upload your video stories as a YouTube Shorts, for example, who's getting over 15 billion views a day. Even if they send you 0.0005% of that traffic, that's 75,000 new views every single day. If only 1% of them visit your websites, and even 1% of that 1% buy something for $20, that is $4,200 in profits plus a buyer's email list. And then you can publish these stories as web stories on your own websites, which Google absolutely loves and will send tons more free buyers traffic to. Using SToryReel, you can sell your own products and services online, promote affiliate offers, tap into tons of buyers with just 5 minutes of work, create web stories to rank #1 on Google for competitive keywords, or create simple web and video stories for your clients. Wait, did I say clients? That's right. SToryReel, for a limited time only, comes packed with the commercial usage license. This gives you unrestricted rights to create web and video stories for your clients and charge thousands of dollars in fees. Help bloggers, content creators, and local businesses turn their content and websites into web stories and get paid doing that for them. With StoryReel, you start your digital marketing and social media business without creating content, hiring expensive freelancers, or juggling sophisticated software. There's nothing to install, and it's so easy that even a child can do it. Create your StoryReel account and get instant access today. However, this offer won't last long, and the price is increasing every few hours. And if you act now, you'll receive not only our commercial usage license, but also some very useful bonuses mentioned on this page. Your StoryReel purchase is also fully covered by our 14 days risk-free money-back guarantee. See for yourself how easy it is to create amazing web and video stories fast. And if you don't agree that StoryReel lives up to the hype, then we'll refund your every penny. But the clock is ticking. To get your exclusive access to StoryReel with the commercial license, all the bonuses, and exclusive training on how to profit from all of this, you need to act fast. StoryReel is currently available for a one-time fee without any monthly cost or setup fee. Click the button below to get your instant access right now. We look forward to helping you create profitable web and video stories using StoryReel.